All right. What you doing, Reed? What are you doing, Reed? Thomas the train is going? Where is he going? That way? Where's he going to go next? Careful.
Here comes the tunnel.
Look at him. Oh, you can see him. You can see his light. There he is.
Yay! You like
There's
it?
people waiting for the train.
Push the button so it honks.
Yeah, people the train.
Reed, do you like it?
Press this button. Push that button. Good job, now let's go. Let's go.
Reed, do you like your train? Do you like your train, Reed? Want to see it?
Good.
Reed, do you like it? Do you like your train?
Go that way.
In the tunnel? Go that way in the tunnel? All right. Say goodbye to the camera. Or to Dad's phone. Say bye.
Bye.
Tell everybody you have a train.
Bye.
Okay. I see it. I do see it.
Light on.
I see the light is on.